A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today in this session I will take a live trading. So right now I have placed one order on, let me show you, on Euro JPY. Okay, so I have placed a buy order. So as you can see, price is just nearest to my take profit zone. So I have placed a buy order on Euro JPY. So let me tell you why I placed a buy order. So first of all, let me close this because I'm nearly okay. This is well enough. So why I place a buy order in this? Let me show you in trading view chart. So right now I can see this particular area acted as a support, a strong support, which is right now acted as a support. I'm giving a best example that will help you. So what did you see in this area? Okay, you see this is a resistance zone, okay, and this resistance has been breakout by this very bullish candles, and exact this area price took a support, okay, and after that price tried to break out this area, okay. Unfortunately price little bit break out this area by this candle, and it couldn't hold that much, and after that this price has been break out by this candle. So exact this area price would take a support. So this is why I place a buy order in this area, and I was not hoping to achieve that. I was not hoping to earn a lot of profit, that much only, because this is in 15-minute chart. I can see this area acted as a support, which is breakout by this. So hopefully price will went up and went down. It might go up also, but I'm not sure about it. I just want to secure my profit. So right now in front of you, within a couple of seconds I just earned a profit. So right now I'm going to search another pair, okay, to show you. So right now I'm on the 1 hour chart. Let's find something. What did you see in this area? Let me mark this, that will help you out. So this particular area is previously a strong support, see, which is breakout by this candle, and it just hold little bit, it cannot hold that much, and after that it broke out. So price is now creating a support number 1. So if the price will come little bit down, then I will place a buy order exactly this area. Then I will place a buy order. Let me switch to 30-minute chart. Hopefully price will went down. So till now I have to find another pair. I couldn't find anything till now. This is a interesting. Okay, it's already happened. Okay, very interesting. Okay, in EuroCAD I will simply place a buy order. then I will show you what exactly I was talking about. You know why I have placed a buy order in this area? So let me give you examples. Did you see this area acted as a resistance, and this resistance has been breakout by these bullish candles, and exact this area price took a support number 1 and price right now acting in support number 2. So in this scenario, this is the scenario I placed a buy order. And why I went back, to find out the nearest, like this area is respecting as a support or not. So I went back and I see this area is strong support zone, so this is why I placed a buy order in this particular area. See, and what will be my take profit? I will simply keep my take profit until this area, which is 13 pip. So hopefully the price will give me a profit. So let me find another trade in front of you. I'm on the 1 hour chart, and as I can see, okay, Euro GBP, it is very good opportunity to place a buy order. Let me decrease my profit. You know why I place a buy order in this area? This particular area acted as a support. Okay, let me mark this place. So this particular area, okay, let me first 10 pips, which is too good. So let me give you example. Let me explain you why I placed my buy order in this particular area. Okay, first of all, let me zoom out and mark this area. What did you see in this area? Okay, this one. What did you see in this area? This particular area acted as a support, and this is a fake breakout. Okay, after fake breakout, price takes support 1, and after that price takes support 2. It went up, again it came down, again come down, then and after that it break out, and exact this area price took a resistance, and after that it couldn't hold that much, and after that it broke out, and price right now created a support number 1. So this is the reason I have placed my buy order. So till now my 2 trade is running, so hopefully EuroCAD is near to my take profit. It's approaching. So what I will do, I will simply pause this video and get back to you and let you know what happened to this 2 trade. Okay, welcome back. Just now I have placed another trade on Euro and ZD, because in this area, in this particular area, I can see price acted as a very strong support, which is previously acted as a resistance also, and after that price is breakout. So right now price has created support 1 and this is support 2. So right now I have placed a 3 trade, and 3 trade is still running, and all of the trade are in loss till now. So what I will do, I will simply pause this video and get back to you and then let you know what happened to this trade. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, price is in profit, so I have to close this trade because I have to go somewhere out. So tomorrow I will come and I will show you another live session. So till now I made some profit, $18 of profit, within a couple of minutes. So I will get back to you tomorrow, and hopefully this session will help you. Till now, goodbye, take care, and good night.